Hi dear Leo, how are you guys doing? So this is a journal love reading from 22nd of Feb till 28th of Feb. So we will tap into your energy and your partner's energy and we will see what will be the outcome, okay? So your partner's energy right now is the Emperor and your energy is the Empress. Wow. So basically you both are feeling the same, you both are mirroring each other right now. You both are working on yourself right now. Maybe your partner is acting very adamant. They are feeling like their way is the only way to proceed in this relationship. They want this relationship to proceed the way they want it to be, okay? Might be they are not listening to you, might be they are not taking your emotions in consideration, or might be they are not acting emotionally open to you. So basically you are also doing the same thing. You are working on yourself, your creativity, your own self, your own business, your own work, or whatever it is. You both are working on yourselves right now, and you both are thinking like your way is the only way to proceed in this relationship. And you both are feeling maybe not happy, I can't say happy right now, but you both are feeling very stable right now in your own positions in your own life. And you guys are feeling like, okay, no matter how hard it is, we will make it work out in the future. And right now you both are stuck on your own beliefs, on your own system of thinking, okay? And how they see you, how your partner sees you, Leo, the Hierophant. They see you as a long term partner. They see you as a long term commitment partner, or a long term friendship partner, or someone who is very spiritual, and or someone uh, who can they rely on. They can on whom they can rely on, or on whom they can trust blindly. So basically they found you a very spiritual person, a very committed person towards them. They feel like you are the person who will give them whatever they want in their life. You are the person who they can come back whenever they want, okay? And they see you as a long term partner, as a long term, if not as a loving partner, or as a husband. They see you as a long term friendship partner, okay? So how you see them, the sun, you see them as your happiness. You see them as a childlike energy. You feel like they are your sunshine. Whenever they are around, you feel like, yes, the world is very beautiful, the world is very happy, the world is very lovely. You keep on dreaming about them. You keep on checking on them. So you feel like they are like a child, and they are very cute, and they do stupid things that you love. And this is a kind of energy. This is childish energy, and this is the happiness energy, and that is what you feel about them, how you see them, okay? What they feel about this relationship is the Six of Cups. What I feel is they are connected to you from a very long time. Maybe they are connected to you from past lives, as well as we can see, because this is the Six of Cups energy. This is the energy of nostalgia. This is the energy of living in the past, and this is the energy of having a very solid relationship from so long. Maybe they know you from a very long time, Leo, and you both know each other very well, from point to point, from date to date. Because what I feel is this nostalgic energy is because of a connection that you hold from so many years, or so from so many lifetimes, okay? It can be a past life relationship as well. So basically they feel nostalgic with you. They feel a connection with you because of your past, because of whatever connection you had in the past. That is why they feel connected to you. And how you feel about this relationship is the Eight of Wands energy. So you feel you want to communicate with them openly and very honestly, because there is something that is lacking behind. There's something that you want to talk to them about, but you are not able to talk to them. Maybe you're not able to communicate with them openly. Maybe they are closed off right now, and maybe they are not in the situation of listening to you, but you want to communicate. You feel like there's a strong need of communication with this person. You want to clearly say whatever is there in your heart and in your mind. So you want to communicate with them right now. You feel like communicating with them. What they want from this relationship right now, this is the Eight of Cups energy. I feel like your person wants to walk away from this situation, or from you, for the time being, because they feel like this relationship is no longer it used to be. Although they are connected to you from the past, although they are connected to you from a very long time, they see you as a long term partner. They see you as a long term friendship partner or a committed partner or whatever it was between you guys, but they right now they are walking away from you. They want to walk away from the situation because they want to do another other things in their life, Leo, because they want to focus on some other things in their life. That is why they are, I think they are walking away from you, and they are not that much invested in you as they used to be. Okay, what you want from this relationship is a judgment card. You want to judge every step of yours and theirs, and you want reconciliation, happy energy. You want things to be the way they used to be. Okay, so you are trying your best to keep things the way they were, and you are holding too tightly. Maybe you are trying to control the situation. Maybe you are trying to control this person. That is why they are trying to run away from you, or walk away from this relationship. So basically right now you want a reconciliation. You want this person to be the way they used to be. Okay, that is what is happening with you guys. And the outcome from their side is Six of Swords. So what I feel is they are moving away. They are going away from you, and they are moving into a very very peaceful time in their life, and they are trying to make a peaceful resolution with you, and they are trying to invest in their life, their own happiness, their own business, in their own work, their own career. So basically they are busy doing their own stuff in their life, and they are not right now in the zone of commitment or a marriage or a solid relationship or a stable relationship with you. So they are moving away from you. Basically by the end of Feb, what I can feel is they are moving away, and they are moving towards a very peaceful resolution, peaceful time in their life, and they are focusing all of their energy into something else right now. The outcome from your side is the Fool. You are also ready to, go into the unknown. You are ready to take a leap of faith. You are ready to take the risk of maybe you are waiting on that person from a long time, but right now maybe you are breaking the chains, and you are ready to explore new things in your life. You are ready to risk your stability, your security, your comfort zone, and you are coming out of the blue, out of yeah, I can say out of the blue as well, because you're, this is not your nature to come out of a relationship so easily. So basically you are trying to explore new things, explore new relationships, maybe new friendships, or new uh, ideas maybe. So whatever it is, you are taking a leap of faith. You are trusting the unknown. You are trusting the universe and taking a leap of faith, and you are feeling like whatever will happen in the future, it is going to be for your own highest good. Okay, so you are taking a leap of faith, and you are trusting the universe in this case. So yeah, so the potential for this relationship to work out is the Nine of Pentacles. I feel like this relationship is not going anywhere right now. This relationship is right now stuck, and the universe is telling me that you should work on yourself first. You should work on your pentacles, your business, your own happiness, your own growth first, and then proceed further in a relationship or in a commitment. And the guidance, the potential for this relationship is, I don't feel like this is going to be a committed relationship till the end of Feb, or you guys will be in a committed relationship, or with this particular person. I don't feel like this past person is, I think, moving away from you. And yeah, the guidance from the universe is the Ace of Cups. So basically this is telling me that you should avoid being so much emotional, or overly emotional, or overwhelmed, or maybe forcing things on somebody. So it is kind of energy that is self love energy is present there. So uh, this is Nine of Pentacles. Work on yourself. This is the Ace of Cups. You should start loving yourself. You should start a new beginning in your relationship zone. You should start working on yourself. You should start loving yourself. Then only a new person, or a new energy, or a energy of a new relationship or a new love will come to your life. Okay, this is what is happening with you guys. And right now what you are feeling is not enough. This is a card from Love Oracle deck, and this is telling me this is not enough for you. You are frustrated in a relationship. Lack of confidence is there. Self sabotage, fear or ego issues, and jealousy. This is the energy that is holding you back right now, Leo. Please read it aloud for 3-4 times and tell yourself to come out of this energy. Otherwise you are going to feel miserable. Okay, so I know this is not a very happy go lucky reading for you. I'm really sorry about this, but I have to go to tell you the truth. And the truth is that right now you should focus on yourself, self love, your pentacles, your zone, your happiness. Self love is the most important thing right now, Leo. You have to work on yourself to create or to manifest a love relationship, a loving relationship into your life. Okay, Leo. So yeah, this is all about your love life till the end of Feb. So basically, I tried my best to deliver the message to you, whatever it comes in the cards. So yeah, thank you so much for listening. God bless you and namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Thank you so much. God bless you, Leo. Goodbye.